Every year, distraction and fatigue kill hundreds on Australian roads. Over 80% of heavy vehicle crashes are caused by human error. Traditional telematics only tell you what happened and where. It doesn't show why or how to prevent it from happening again. That's not risk management. That's damage control. DriveGuard360 changes the game, cutting risky driving by up to 80% and accidents by up to 50% with in-cabin alerts, AI coaching, and real-time video. It's like having the boss riding shotgun, coaching every driver, every day. And it pays for itself fast. Each crash costs between $45,000 and $100,000. DriveGuard slashes insurance premiums, fuel costs, and repair bills. It also protects your drivers with video evidence, especially when they're not at fault. Need compliance to access mine sites? Fatigue management cameras are no longer optional, they're policy. DriveGuard360 ensures you're compliant, audit-ready, and covered. Don't wait for a court case or a catastrophic crash. Put DriveGuard360 in the cab and take control.